Hello, my name is Patrick Jamison, and today we're going to install the WinDoor 8100 series sliding glass door. In this video, I'm going to unpackage the frame and show you some of the tools that you're going to need for this installation. First, let's go over some of the tools that you're going to need for this installation. Starting with our different size levels, our 25-foot tape measure, plumb bob, a glass cup, our different cordless screw guns, both impact and standard, laser level, our different size screwdrivers, our rubber mallet, and the certified appropriate sealant. Here is our main frame, the stiles, the inserts, as well as the box with handles and the various parts that we're going to need to complete this installation. Now let's go ahead and open everything up. Here are the two sliding glass door panels. The configuration we're working with today is a 2-panel, 2-track XX standard stack. Using my razor knife, I'm going to cut the shrink wrap off the main frame. When you unpackage your main frame, you're going to receive your end dams, a package of high-piled dust plugs and a few screws, your sill insert, your sill pan, your left and right jams, your frame header, your riser, frame head insert, stile jam inserts, and your bumper jam inserts. Inside the box, you'll find your handles, your keepers, bumpers, and all the other finishing components. So to recap, in this video, I unpackaged the frame and showed you some of the tools that you're going to need for this installation. In the next video, we're going to assemble the main frame.